This is the best tip you are ever going to see. I'm so excited to share this with you. Only do this with synthetic paintbrushes, not with natural hair paintbrushes. I've just put some boiling water into this cup. Sometimes when your paintbrushes start to look a little bit ragged, I'll show you how to transform these back to the moment that you first bought them and simply pop them into the boiling water for about 15 seconds. And they stay like that. How fantastic is that? I can see everyone rushing off to their paintbrushes to go and revive them. But if you've been treating your paintbrushes really bad and brushing and they've all gone a little bit like that, then here's your answer. Then just bring all of the hairs together and all of the bristles will go back into their original place and it will dry perfectly. Whenever you're going to be drying your paintbrushes, always make sure that you lay them on a piece of paper towel kitchen paper, nice and flat, to completely dry. You don't want to dry them in this position, facing upwards. The water from the bristles will run down into this part and sits there, and over time will start to rot the glue that's on the inside, and then your bristles will become loose. How amazing is that? They all look absolutely brand new. I think that's one of the best tips I've ever given.